Good afternoon. My name is Chris Swift with Swift Trading Company. On behalf of my partner, Chris Wimward, and our sales assistant, Sean Gammon, welcome to Shooting the Bull. We've seen some price fluctuation recently up and down that I think may provide an opportunity for our listeners and to our readers to adjust or readjust some of their hedge positions. We've seen the market go up. We've seen the market come back down a little bit. There is a short seasonal tendency for the cattle prices to soften now up until April the 15th. We believe that once that time frame is over with, that the normal sales that we see, the video sales in the spring of the year, May, June, and July, tend to produce higher prices than in this time of the year. So while we have a small break in the market, if you want to adjust something, I think now is the time to do it. We've not seen the cash markets be nearly aggressive as what we have the futures market. And I think a lot of that hinges to the cattle feeder. The cattle feeder looks out at the most current events as something that might be hampersome to the consumer. So anything that hampers that consumer's discretionary spending habits, we have to think that beef could be impacted by that too. So again, we've seen just a little bit of a spread difference, a divergence in basis. Couple of weeks ago. Now the most recent 4 or 5 days, we've seen some convergence in the basis, giving traders some relief off this. So just take a few minutes, put pencil to paper, see if there's something that you can do to make adjustments off these positions for things that you weren't not as happy with, change those. The things that you were happy with, do more of. I think that might help you to get through this really exciting time frame of what probably going to be higher prices. But if they're not, and that's the real question, we really don't know, because we have several black swans flying around that may light, and we don't know what the domino effect of this current situation in the banking is going to be. So we still have a lot of things to have to worry about, but we also know that there is the availability or the probability of the market still moving higher, just simply on a supply issue alone. So consider, if you need to do something, this might be our time frame to do that in. If you need some help doing it, then call Chris or I and let us help you be able to do that out. We can put pencil to paper. We can show you very quickly what you can and cannot do on this and what your objectives are. So once you figure that out, get those objectives down pat, let us help you arrange or rearrange your position to make it more comfortable to you and to be able to be the best marketing program that you can for your operation. So if you need help, if you need anything, feel free to give Chris or I a ring at 615-844-2206 or at swifttradingco.com, and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you.